Car seats for children are bulky, space-consuming, and have to be replaced often as they grow. We need child seats that are compact enough to store and be easily accessible in every car. This is Gadgets and Widgets.
What stops a taxi driver from providing a child safety seat? Different ages of child require a different type of seat. A child safety seat is too big to store in a car boot, and child seat logistics waste time and fuel. We designed Taxie to solve all these problems.
Now, there are three types of child safety seat: one for infants, one for toddlers, and another for children 4 years and above. And because the infant carrier is normally transported by parents, we do not need to concern ourselves with that here. As a taxi driver picking up families, you're faced with a problem. You can't carry two sizes of child safety seat to accommodate every fare requirement.
Imagine you are a taxi driver who has received a call from HQ asking you to pick up a family with a small child from the airport and take them to a hotel in the town centre. So what you might have to do is go to HQ and collect a correct size child safety seat, then travel to the airport, collect the family and take them to their hotel. After dropping them off, you need to travel back to HQ to return the child safety seat. Before you can be available,
Taxie by Trafold was created to help you provide a better service. Taxie was designed for children 1 year and above, with a scalable product the size of a piece of hand luggage. Just unlock the base, flip it over, adjust the headrest, and you're good to go. When you are finished, just fold it back up and store it in the boot, leaving plenty of room for passenger luggage.
Now in this new scenario, you can accept the fare, go straight to the airport, collect the family, and take them to their hotel. A foldable child safety seat designed for taxis and cabbies, fits all children from 1 year old and above, is as small as a piece of hand luggage.